Hey, here we are. So in this stream, we are going to work a bit on Moon Teaser. So Moon Teaser will get a really cool update soon. And let me just start by talking about this update. If you don't know about a blue moon is an event where we got two full moons in the same month or four full moons within a season. And in this year specifically, we are going to get a blue moon, which is a second full moon on October's uh 31, 31st. Yeah, so on Halloween basically. So this will be a very cool event to get something special. So I'm going to update Moon Teaser due to this event because the game is all about the moon and stuff like this. And currently, let me switch to this view. So currently I have a cutscene cinematic. Let me just show you the cinematic. Am I showing? Yeah. So let me show you the cinematic. So here we already have a quick like a level transition, right? So the mouse is floating on the space, and the astro mouse is floating on the space, and as soon as the star finishes the power up, so as soon as the star ends, so this power up ends, the mouse will start to float on the space again and will be desolated because there is nothing else to help him. And this will be the hook for the next update. I'm thinking about making a level transition to the next level, and but for that I think that I will start to make a very quick founding campaign, and I think that I will use itch.io because they have something very similar to a crowdfunding there. I'll set a goal. So let me show how this kind of work. So switch to this each. Yeah, so on each you can create a sale, create a new sale or bundle. And for instance, Moon Cheeser Blue Moon update. I can set this to start on let's say, yeah, I think that it will start on October 31, 31st, right at the midnight, and it will end on when the full moon ends as well, right? So a moon cycle is about 1 week, and this, I think that I will set this to be, yeah, on right at the end. We can set this to be a reverse sale. We can add a description. I can add a video in. I think that I will make a video for that, and I will include the moon teaser here. And the important thing here is to set the goal, because this is what will kind of make this to be a crowdfunding campaign. I made this for the platform template, which I'm about to get back to it as soon as I finish the course. But yeah, the idea is to make this campaign. Am I showing? No, I didn't show you. Shit. Yeah, so let me explain this again. The title, which is Moon Teaser, we can set a date to start, a date to end this sale. we can set a minimum price. We can make this reverse so people will pay more for the game during this time span, this time frame. I can set the moon teaser. I can add a description. I can add a video, which I think that I will do. And we I can also set a condition for that. So if I want people to I don't know, buy another game before participating in this sale, and we can set a goal for that. So say it's not visible. I think that I'll discount this. So I think that I'll set this as a draft and work on that later. So this is basically the sale. We raised 0 and we aim for I aim for $300 to make this update, refactor the game, and add a new level, and refactor the code for the upcoming course. If you don't know about this, we will have a course to explain very deeply how to make games with Godot engine, and not only Godot, but we will go through how you can manage a project, how you can add analytics to your game, how you can measure your analytics, how you can measure your systems, how you can design mechanics. The course is meant to be very complete, not only how to make a game in Godot, how to program, how to code. No, the idea is different here. And so this is what I'm going to be making. This is the goal for this live stream. I will add some juiciness to the live cinematic, because I think that we can add some effects here as well, especially on the camera. I'll make let me see if I'm not wrong. Where is it? Okay, night ritual. If I'm not wrong, moon teaser cinematic here. So camera shake, cinematic bars, which I think that I will use a shader for that. Splash screen with the promo image, and I also have to add the star finished animation, because currently it basically just blinks, and I don't want it to just blink. I want it to like travel back to where it was supposed to be. So I will add before we start, I almost forget. How can I forget about that? Before we start, I would like to thank all these amazing people. They are my patrons. It's because of them that I'm able to make all the stuff that I'm currently making, all the videos, everything. They are supporting all the projects that I have for my channel. If you want to, please consider supporting me on Patreon as well. The links will be in the description. You can support me there. The Patronage will go through a redesign, because I'm thinking about adding some merch, which, let me see if I can already show you. Let me see here. So yeah, we are going to have some merch soon. This will probably be part of the crowdfunding campaign. But this is all thanks to the patronage. This is the reason why I can keep working on my stuff, and I can like focus on my personal projects. And if you want to consider participating in my patronage campaign, because as I said, it will go through a redesign, and it will and I will add some merch there as well as rewards for some tiers. That said, let's get started. Let me just put some music here. Why not, right? Alright, music on, and let's get started. Oh, I will read the chat from time to time. Let me just open the chat here. By the way, how are you guys doing today? I don't even know if you can read the chat from the phone, because on Twitch we can. I don't know about. Yeah, so seems like I can. Yeah. Hey, hi Johnny. How you doing, man? Hi, how cycle? Bojan, hi, man. How are you guys? Having lunch already? Oh yeah, we have a three hours difference, right? So I think that I will start by making this a shaking camera 2D. I think that I have a script for that already. Maybe on another project. Probably on a GD Quest project. Guru. Let me see if either on Harvester, I think we have something there. Shaking camera. Twin remote map. Do we need a twin? Yeah, so they add more stuff and make this more specific to this project, so it's an ad hoc implementation now. Well, anyway, we can make this pretty quickly. Export var strength. By default, this will be the amount of how is it called? The offset amount that we are going to use to generate some shaking on the camera. Duration of the effect, which I think that I will keep this pretty low, pretty quick. So a shaking camera is something very is a bit quick. Is a bit simple to implement. Basically, you are just going to add some offset, both on the x-axis, so something like random range between minus strength, so it will offset to the left, and strength, so it will offset to the right. And we can basically duplicate this and just change this to be on the y-axis. I will add a timer so we can set the duration properly. I will have to disable the process on ready, because process false, because we will control the process when we we ask it to shake. And we start the timer to get the duration, right? So start using the duration that we exposed. And finally we just need to connect this one shot, the timeout, to the shaking camera. And this will disable the shaking because it's meant to be the duration, right? Set process false. This is a very simple implementation of a shaking camera, a camera shake or shaking camera. I will even save it as, I think they're on levels, shaking camera, because this is an object that I use on a level. And what I'm going to do here is to animate this. Is it current? Yeah, current. So I think that I will make something like this. As the comet approaches, so, okay, here I'll make the strength. I'll increase the strength to, I don't know, 15, and it will going to start. It's going to start with 0. No, with 5 maybe. We are going to test this out. No, I think that a knee in animation. Whoa, that's the biggest animation I've ever seen. So yeah, it is kind of like a cinematic, so there are a lot of stuff involved here. So it's 16 seconds long, but since the player can't do anything within this time span, we can play a bit and make these 16 seconds like very enjoyable, very pleasing for the player. And a track. I think that I will expose our continuous equal to false. Is that an actual word? Anyway, because if we set this to true, it will keep, and I will add a function to make this stop, a method to make this stop. Set process to false. The reason for that is that if you want to have it like until we tell it to stop, it will keep shaking, right? And for this camera, I think that I will make this true. So we are going to shake here, the track, call method on, where is it, camera? Shake, and right here it will stop shaking, stop, and I think that I will make this to 0, add this keyframe to 0, and very slowly, I don't know, in and out, sounds good. So let's test this out. Yeah, looking good, but I think that I will start with 0 and right on the impact it will be like super crazily big. Yeah. Nice. um, Now the camera, let me see. Yeah, so for the camera I think that this is okay already. Now I'm going to add another animation for the star mouse. Mouse. Star mouse. Yeah. So something that one of the principles, one of the basic principles of animation. So I think that there are 12 principles. There are some debates on if two of them are actually principles or techniques, but one of the core principles of a good animation is arcs. So most animations, most movements, most natural movements, they happen in an arc way. So cycles, like a walking cycle, the legs of the character will go in arcs, right? And for this star, what I want to do is something like a currently when it disappears, it blinks and boom, it disappeared, right? But I don't want that. I want it to go a bit to make like a movement going to the horizon, something like this. And for that, I learned that we can make a. Let me switch. I learned that we can make a usage of the path in the path following to make animations. This is a very good technique. So this is what I'm going to do. I will add a path here, path 2D, and a path follow. Right here. I'll make the star a child of the path follow. And let's design this path. So I wanted to make something like this. Actually, something like this. It will go away from the character, so like this. So let's create a path here. Oops. New path. New curve. Yeah. Create a curve. Jesus. So it is going to start here, going here. Yeah, so let me drag this all the way there. And another one all the way here. Maybe I will need another point here to make it more smooth. And from here, we just need to animate the unit offset. To 1. Value 1. And what this star is going to make is this movement here. I think that I will add more maybe 2 twists. I don't know. So this path doesn't look like really good to be honest. Maybe I will add another twist here. Oops. Oh. I think that we can add, we can change individual curves by holding shift, if I'm not wrong. Transmirror. Oh, okay. So I can. Ah! Jesus! Jesus! Okay. Can I pick this? Yeah. Something like this. Yeah, that's more like it. So now, oh, another thing that I will do is to animate the scale of this star, so it looks like it is disappearing. Like this. Yeah, I think that what I will do is to disable the rotation and rotate it manually. So disable the rotation and actually spin it. Yeah, like this. But I think that I will make it spin twice. Mm. Um, yeah, so I think that this will be the disappearing animation. It will keep visible. It will stay visible. Okay, scale rotation. Yeah. So if we go, let me see, dodging, yeah, dodging. I will, just for testing purposes, I will decrease this to 2 seconds. Oops. Yes, but this will have to change. Um, right here, the character will have to float already because it's currently holding the star. So one way we can do that is by adding a animation playback track on this animator and asking it to play the float. Where is it? Dash float. We need float. Setup. Fall. What's supposed to be float? Maybe it is only on the kinematic. Yeah, so let me save this animation. Go to this one, load it. Yeah, but I will rename it to float with all lowercase. So now we can go here, tell it to float. Yeah. Okay. And we can disable the editable children now because we just needed the path to this animator to actually access this animation. And after that, we don't need to have this as an editable children anymore. Editable child, yeah. Oh, editable children, yeah. So let's see how this cinematic is going. Are you guys actually seeing it? Yeah. Okay. Okay, looks good. What is it? Let me just make it visible again. Let me play this again. Alright, that's it. So, dodging. I'll set this back to 30 seconds. This is the duration of the level. And I think that with that. Oh no, I need a shade. I don't know if I will actually use a shader there. No. So, this is a. Let me increase the volume. This is a. How's it called? Yeah, a free usage playlist. If you guys want to use it on your live stream or stuff like this. Michael Douglas, hey, welcome to the stream, man. How are you doing? If you want to use it, it's all public domain, so feel free to use this music as well. And let's also thanks all these artists for allowing us to use the music freely. But what I was supposed to be doing, oh okay. Cinematic camera shake. I think that I will not have this. I won't have this. Splash screen. I used to have a splash screen somewhere. Where is it? Mm, was supposed to be here. Mm. Yeah, so I think that I will have to use this instead. I don't remember where did I use the the actual promo image, because it was supposed to be here. But let me see if I can find it on my. I was thinking that the animation seemed to be better with black bars at up and bottom screen sides with. Just to tell that it was supposed to be cinematic. Yeah, I add those on the firm parallax, and maybe I will add those here as well. Yeah, sounds like a good idea. Time to get back to work. Okay, Johnny, I'll catch you back. Catch you later as well. Good luck with this. Thanks. Good luck with the work. Let me see where I can find the the image that I used last time. I know for sure that I used on Instagram, but it was supposed to be somewhere. Let me see. Because I remember that I created one for Parallax, and I used the Moon Chaser one as the reference, but I can't seem to find it anywhere. Well, I think that I will have to use the Firm Paradox one as reference this time. If I can manage to find it as well, right? Social media. Yeah, so it was supposed to be something like this, the Moon Chaser one. Something like that. So I think that I will just remove the content here. Maybe I will also add the Mac, the Mac icon there. But for now, each badge, comet, stars. Okay, so we have this blank canvas now. Oh, it was supposed to be on Android as well. I added the Android thing to the previous one, but I can't seem to find it. No, for this one I will do something different because it was supposed to be a new update, right? So I think that I will take rid of this. Yeah, but I will use a where is the palette? There isn't a... Okay, this one seems... I think that I will keep with... I'll stay with this one. It's looking good. So this is the yellow moon, right? Will be on the background because we're not there anymore. Right? We are just coming from it. So we are coming from here. Where is the line? No. Okay, so we are coming from this moon and we are reaching a new moon, which is the not the new moon, the full moon, but is the blue moon. But if you don't know about that, blue cheese is a category of cheeses that we let me see, because I can't find the actual words for that. So if you search for blue cheese, like is this one with like made with cultures of the mold. This is so disgusting, but it's delicious, right? The mold penicillium, giving it spots or veins of the mold throughout the cheese, which can vary in color through various shades of blue and green. It's just so disgusting. But anyway, the new moon, the new level, is supposed to be blue as well, or actually some shade of like these, maybe not this because it will look like yeah, maybe white, but I think that I will actually add a bit of blue there. So decrease this, yeah, some shade of, it is actually yellow, right? some shade of yellow, but really bright. No, it's not going where I want. And for the craters, I think that I would just duplicate that. Let's save some work, right? And for the craters, select. I will grab. Oh, yeah, yeah. Unfortunately, it's something that like this. Jesus. Okay. Maybe a bit more, a bit darker. And I think that will add some effect. No, some textures. No. Why is everything with this not a actual circle? I don't remember using this. Okay. And as for this one, we'll use some shade of some shade of this, but a bit darker. And this will be some shade, some green shade. And this one can be this. Didn't like this one. No. I think I will use this, but a bit lighter. Let's saturate it. Nope. Actually, this shade looks good, but I will decrease this just a bit more. Okay, this is the bring it to the front. This will be the design of of this new moon. Actually, the blue moon. Oh, this new level. I will change the opacity so we can get something. Oh no! I'll have to change this back. Decrease the opacity to like this. No, not blur. This. Bring it to end. Duplicate like this. Oh, how will I select this? Okay. Bring it to the front, right there. Take rid of those stars. Now I'll have to select this. There is a way to select those without. Yeah, without grabbing everything, but but it didn't work. So manually select all of those. Grab this. Yeah. What's this one? No. Grab, select, same fill color. Yeah, this one. So in Inkscape we can use these spray objects by scoping painting, and this is how I often do this. It was supposed to be apply over non-transparent areas. Okay, no overlapping, prevent overlapping. Okay. So this is how I often paint the stars. So I can make something like this. And I just add this pattern right at the end, somewhere like this. Pretty small there. And the trim area is somewhere like here. So yeah, this is the concept. Please tell me you got. No, I don't believe that. I hate switching the camera. I bet you guys warned me about that. Face scan, yeah, sorry about that. You know, we only see you and not your words. Sorry about that. Not easy to see on the reflect of your glasses. Sorry guys. Hey Pig Dev, it's been a while. Hey Noodle Sushi, how you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, so I forgot to switch back to the screen to show the screen. Dang. But yeah, so if you guys weren't, if you guys didn't saw, if not, right, you didn't saw it, you didn't see it. So this is the new moon, the blue moon, which is based on, which is based on blue cheeses. So blue cheeses are those cheese meant to be made with cultures of the moat peninsula, giving it spots or veins of the moat throughout the cheese. So this is what gives it this greenish, bluish. Look at this. This is so disgusting. But this is what gives. But it's delicious. This is really, really delicious. Really tasty. And this update is based on the blue moon, right? So since the other moon is made of yellow cheese, this one it will be made of blue cheese. So this is why this other moon has this color here. The previous moon is on the background because it wasn't even supposed to be there, right? Because it exploded from the collision. But just as a reference of how far you are from the other, from the previous level, I will keep it there. And this is the concept for the, let me save this, documents, big dev, studio, chase, create, promo, blue cheese, promo.svg. DuckDuck fan, yeah, I try to always use open source stuff, and I've been doing well. Been busy with online school recently. I miss using that. Oh man, yeah, this whole thing must mess your schedule. And how is it to study like online? Man, I think that this is awful. Hope you don't feel like really disencouraged to actually study. Don't know, what do you guys think? Like, this yellowish color is a bit closer to what a blue cheese actually look like, but I don't know, I don't find it the colors don't match really well. Let me see what I can do. To undo that. Yeah, so this looks way more like the actual blue cheese. If we go back to here, Jesus, yeah, like this. This one looks way better. Looks tasty. Yeah, this one looks a bit closer to what an actual blue cheese looks like, so people might get the reference a bit better, but I don't know, the colors don't really pop out as this one. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Which one would you actually pick? If the moon were made of how is it called in English? Is gorgonzola? Translate. Dang, we need we need Johnny here to tell me if it is actually called gorgonzola in English as well. What is it? Gorgonzola cheese. Gorgonzola. Yeah, so yeah. If the moon were made of gorgonzola, would you pick this one or this one? The bluish one or the yellowish? Gnome. Gnome? What do you mean? I always use gnome. It's a pretty odd environment for a lot of people and I can manage. Oh, good. Good to know you can manage that. My honest opinion, holes should be made from various colors, from black to green to gray. But for the base color, for the actual outside color, would you pick a yellowish or a bluish? Because the holes I can tweak a bit later, but they must match the overall color of the moon. Take rid of this. To be honest, I'm thinking about going with this one, but I don't know why. It looks more natural. I don't know. Even though the colors don't actually match that greatly. Let's see how we can vary this. So we are currently using this green. Let's pick some bluish ones here. No. No, I think that I will keep with this green. These variations they add too much complexity to the visuals. It would take it's too much contrast. It would take the focus from the mouse. So I think that I will keep with this yellowish one, but I will save this one. Keep it on the side here. I prefer the bluish contrast between base and holes are apart in the yellowish. Yeah, I also feel like that. I feel like the bluish one is the colors match the most. Oh. Yeah, I'll keep with this, with the bluish one. Maybe you could change the colors of the holes if you choose the yellowish base. Let's see if I can find another one that matches this yellow as nicely as the blue match the green. Like this it looks too pale, right? Like there isn't enough saturation. Let me increase the saturation of this. No, it's still. Yeah, I think that I will keep with the bluish one. Later on, maybe I will change this, but the blue and the green match way better. So save this. Let's start to make the um, make the the promo image. So I will export this. I'll export this separate because maybe I will blur this layer. So yellow. No. What? Where is it supposed? No. Was supposed to be exported to documents. The Studio Moon Teaser promo. Yellow. Noodle Sushi, what will be the three main aspects that you would say that a synthwave music must have? I don't know if you if you saw it, but I made a post about making a synthwave music on LMMS. I have one already, which I will use in the tutorial. But what would you say that is the three core components of a synthwave music, apart from synth, right? An analog synth. Oh, this one, oh. Dang. Okay, go back here. synthwave track elements, yeah. Actually the core elements, right? Usually when I make synthwave I start with 4-bit kick and sidechaining the bass synth, yeah, sidechaining. Then I go experimenting with synths and stuff. It's pretty subjective, yeah. But I think that the sidechain on the pads and on the bass is something that is very, how can I say it, expressive on synthwave. This is something that I used on mine as well. Adding sidechaining the bass and the lead. I think that I will switch. Use this one on the other side. And the moon, yellow moon, on the left side. Where is it? Yeah, this is way better. Now I'll have to add the title. Let me just take rid of some of those. Moon teaser, blue moon update. I think that I have the title somewhere. Why did the music stop? Yes. Run free, not apart music. Okay, but this one sounds just too dark. I don't actually like dark music. They don't give me a good mood. So documents, PDAF, teaser, repository, source. Actually, I think that on assets, title. Nope. Source, title. Yeah, so I think that I would just add the Mac icon there. Yeah, I think that this Apple thing will do the trick. Okay, where is the SVG boy? How do people actually promo this? Well, copy image. Let's path. Trace bitmap. Single scan should do the trick. Oh, it was supposed to be the the other way around thing. Path, trace bitmap, single scan, birth image. Okay. Okay, there we have it. Is this the actual Apple logo? Yeah, it looks like it is. Okay. Selection, export as where does this artifact come from? Oh, okay. Okay, so we can select, if I'm not wrong, we can select all of those, select this one later. No, is this, then set this, distribute, yeah, like this. So, what do you guys think? Should I add like the link to the game like here? What do you think? Like pigdev.itch.io/moonteaser, or like this is enough and the link will be in the description, something like this. Should your logo moonteaser match them? Should your logo moonteaser match the new moon? I don't know actually. Should it? No, I think that I will keep the title like this, because the whole game is about cheese, and just this update that is about the blue cheese. I don't know. Does he even read chats? Yes, I read the chat. Should your logo moonteaser? How much are you going to ask for the game? The game currently, let me show you. What's this? Okay. So currently the game, there are many tiers. Like the way that my business model is that you don't actually buy just the game. So for instance, if you pay $1, you can get the sound effect pack. If you pay $2, you actually get the game, right? So currently for Linux and Windows, but we'll have for Mac as well. And with $5 you get the source code and the graphic assets. So this is the tiers that we have. With $5 you get everything that I made for this game. The link is always handy. Yeah, I think that I will add a link on the image as well, like here. Let me do that. Decrease this link. Oh, I think that I can add something like this. Big dev studio slash moon teaser, because I actually have this small site here with that focus video. I just don't know if I can add like slash moon teaser straight. I will see if I can make something like this. Let me see. Probably. So create a new post. Let me just check this. Like moon teaser. Test. Marcus featured. Yeah, I want this to be featured. Exclude from homepage now. Feature image tags. Games. Okay. Other options. Display tag name. Use global configuration. Okay. Date. Disabled. Display last update date. Disabled. Display tags. Display post navigation related to. No, disabled. Saving close. Let's see. Since I can actually add this, let me just change this to. Patch posts. Can I edit this one? Yeah. So I think that we can. Where's the thing? No, I don't. Then you can press OK. I just want to edit this using the new post. Why can I? Okay, so I think that I will move with this to trash and a new post. Moon teaser. The reason for that is that we can actually embed the game here using game distribute and game. We can choose what do we actually want to show. For now, I think that no, I won't make this. Yeah, won't do that. But instead, I will just have the widget at least. About your page style. And I want this to be right in the center. Save and close. So preview your changes. I think it's always handy. Moon teaser. This is what I want to show. Okay. Doesn't seem like what I expected, because here it is not black. But anyway. Marcus feature, exclude from home page, no. Feature image, choose file. Let me see. Big Dive, Studio, Teaser. Let me export this one here. Documents, Big Dev, Studio, Moonchaser, promo image, for God's sake. Okay. Okay, save and close. Review your changes. Yeah, it's looking good actually. Looking nice. I like it. What do you guys think? It's looking quite good here. I actually would take rid of those for the sake of this post. Get rid of this. Nope. October's. Yeah, this. File export as a post. Thumbnail. Export. Samdaya, how are you doing, man? How are you today? Welcome to the stream. What happened to the image? Featured image, choose post thumbnail. Okay, save and close. Review changes. Dig it. Yeah, it's looking really cool here on the site actually, the blog. I think that I will write something to give a little bit of context, but yeah, the idea is to. Oh, and let me see. Moonchaser 2. Rendering, let's see. Moonchaser 2. I want this to be Moonchaser, just Moonchaser. How can I change the SEO maybe? Oh, here, yeah. Meta descriptions, save and close. So if I preview my changes now, Moonchaser. Let's see if I can actually publish that. Sync your website. Sync your website. Is this your first game on the market? No, actually, yeah, it's my first game on the market. Yeah, it's actually the first game I ever made. I started this way back in 2000. Let me explain. Please, someone remember me to switch back to the screen. But the business model that I designed for Big Dev Studio is to never stop working on my games. So I will build a universe of games. They are all interconnected, and the idea is that as soon as I get a budget for updating a game, it will get updated. The only thing that I'm currently not sure about is if I should sell stuff, like sell the game, or if everything should be funded by Patronage or something, some recurring thing, or if I should a crowdfund update, so I can write down the features that I want to make for the next update and make a small crowdfunding campaign to raise funds to actually develop the new update. This is the idea that I want for all my games. So my studio, I don't know if you guys know about that, but everything that I make is open source. It's actually public domain. So if you want to, you can grab this game, you can put it on your I don't know, on your page, on your itch.io page if you want to. But the idea is that I want to get paid to make the game and not paid to distribute. You know, I don't feel like distribution is a paradigm that actually works in nowadays. So I want to pay to create and not to distribute. This is the idea. So this is why I think that I'll put all my efforts into actually crowdfunding campaigns and patronage, and not the game itself, not the product itself. The product itself, after it gets developed, after it gets published, I think that people should be able to grab it and do whatever they want with it. So let's see if this actually worked. Switching back. Switching back. Let's see. How can I click on my site here? Site settings. Review changes. Okay, so let's pick that studio. Yeah, here it is. Damn! Really cool, really cool. I'm very happy with how it turned out. So yeah, I can use this link on the promo image. So here, PDAF Studio / Mooncheeser, right? Really cool. So yeah, I will export this image now. Export as promo. Replace full default export. And here we have it. And I will switch back to Godot. Close this. Why is not closing? Thank you. Grow. Dodge. And I will add a, what is it? Promo. Hey Sam, you here? Yeah, recognize me? What's up with the Apple logo? Oh, I just use it to make the promo image. I will show you in a second. I'll show it to you in a second. But for now, I will add a texture rect. Visibility off. Animation player arriving completed. Because right here we'll turn this on. one second later, and then this. But at the beginning it will be switched off. So let's see how this goes. Let's play this. Oh! Start. Okay. No! No! So it should be ending right now. Yeah. You tell me. Amazing, right? Really like it. What do you think? So let's play the full cinematic. Why is the stars making this? Maybe it's because of the camera. I don't know why they're doing this. Those particles. I will ask them to pre-process. Yeah, they should be pre-processing. I don't know why. Yeah, no. Anyway, let's play this. So after the moon got exploded by the... See? Why is this happening? After the moon got collided with the comet, this comet is actually from Fermi Paradox. So both games are interconnected. The player will be saved from by this star, but the star will have to go somewhere else, and the player will float in space. And who will save our hero? Who will save the astronauts? It's up to the players to save him. So the cinematic will end here because to actually make the update, I will. The idea is that since itch.io doesn't allow you to refund during sales, what I will actually do is there won't be any refund, but instead all the money raised in this campaign, in this crowdfunding campaign, will be applied in the update. The update will happen anyway. There is no way that this update won't be developed, but the more money I raise, the more I can apply to that. And the idea is that I will have 3 shows for features. So I have to pay for more graphic design. I will have to pay for more coding, and all of this will cost money. So I will have some levels that I can use to tiers, right? So let me show the idea that I have on my mind, because explaining like this won't make much sense. So we have the goal, right? We have here the amount raised, and we have the goal here. And for instance, let's say I want to convert all the game. I want to make a build of the game for Android, which is the goal of the final goal. But let's say with $150 raised, I can refactor the code for the course that I will record after the update, right? So if you know about that, I'm making a course about making an infinite runner using Godot engine, which is not just about the Godot engine, is about game design, marketing, production, everything related to the actual development of the game and making it marketable. And did it finish? Okay. And the idea is that there will be some milestones here, which will allow me to develop and to increase the quality the quality of the game, depending on how much we actually raise from this campaign. This campaign will be launched. Come back Saturday. Okay, this campaign will be launched on Saturday night, right? So actually I will have to edit this, edit sale. It will start. I actually don't know if this is supposed to be. Okay, so let's start this on 7 p.m., which is when the moon actually shows in the horizon, right? So save this, and I will work on the page, on the description. I will work on the milestones, so that when we actually get when we reach the goal of the campaign, I will end up by making a mobile version of the game for Android. So if this happens, this module will be applied to the course as well. How you can add advertising, how you can add Android modules, and how you can publish to Android. So this will be an extra module of the course. So this is the idea. This is the idea that I have on my mind. And if everything goes well, this game will be really, really cool to play, because currently it is lacking some features because I don't have the actual time and money to spend on that. But if this campaign goes well, I will have like a ton of features to add, and will be really cool. But for today, oh yes, that will be used. Yeah, many people ask to, oh man, how can I make games for Android? How can I add monetization for Android? How can I add analytics for my game? This will all be included in the course. There will be a module for adding analytics to a game, designing the core features of your game, add monetization for Android, publishing your game on the Play Store, stuff like this. But for that, I need the money, because I need to pay for my work. And I think that for today, that's it. I plan to work, until 11 o'clock, because I will have to record the LMMS video. If Noodle Sushi is there, I have a good surprise for you. There will be a LMMS video coming soon about how to make a synthwave on LMMS. So that's it. I really hope you enjoy it. Where is this? I really hope you enjoy it. I will switch to the end screen, and meanwhile, if you guys have any any questions? Do you have any comments? Do you have any suggestions to add to the game? Actually, any feedback on the stream as well? So now is the time. Hey, LMMS for the win! Yeah, I'm really happy that people actually ask for that. So let me show you the poll, because I made a poll to know if people would actually be interested in this kind of content. And for my surprise, LMMS actually won the poll. So community. Here. So I asked if people would be interested in LMMS, in making a synthwave music on LMMS, or making project management with Abitka, or 7 juicing techniques to spark up your game, 7 genres to kickstart your game dev skills. And people actually asked for the LMMS videos, so yeah, I actually already have most of the footage recorded. Do you guys want to see that? Let me let me spoil. Let me for like it's a kind of reward for actually coming by. So this is the music that we are going to have. I think that I will. No. It's this one. What is it? Yeah. Yeah, so this is the music that we, yeah, no, so the idea is not that the idea is not to just make one or the other. I made a poll to actually know if what's the priority, right? I will do all the 4 videos at some point, but I just need to know which one should I do first, which people decided that would be the LMMS one. And after that, I will make the Jaceness one because it's the second place, right? And after that, the other one, and so on and so forth. So yeah, the next video will be about making a synthwave music, which is you just saw and listen, right? So guys, I really appreciate you to come back for coming by. It was a really cool live stream. I hope you actually enjoy it as well. Leave a feedback, please. Let me know if you like this kind of content. Search for 707 drum sample packs. They're my favorite go-to for making symphony. Oh, I didn't actually know that this is actually a that I know the 808, right? But I didn't know that there was a 707. I will search for that. Thanks for the advice. What else? To do both. Okay, guys, that's it for now. Thank you so much for coming by and for engaging in the chat. I hope you will also enjoy it, and I will leave the end screen for about 20 seconds, just so I can add the end screen when I finished editing the video. But for now, thank you so much for watching. Keep developing, and until the, what is it? Yeah, and until the next time. Bye. See you later.